Hello all of you. Let's suppose we want to buy world's fastest laptop and for this we went to a shop and let's imagine you get that laptop in which you have latest CPU, 32 GB RAM, very fast SSD and everything looks so perfect. But the moment you realize there is no operating system inside this. Let's suppose there is no Windows, no macOS, and no Linux, nothing. Tell me, will your computer actually work or not? Or is there someone secretly controlling everything inside your computer? Let's find it out. So, in our previous video, we learned about motherboard. Each component has its own job that we already know. But here is the real question. Who tells the CPU what to process? Who tells RAM what to store inside it? Or let's reframe this question. Who opens Chrome when you click its icon? The answer is your operating system, or simply OS. Okay, so let's start this video, but tell me one answer in the comment section that which operating system are you guys using right now? Okay, so let's start with what is an operating system? Simple question. So think of OS as the manager of your computer. Let's imagine a school. Okay, we all know that in a school there are teachers, students, security guards, and office staff. Everyone has a different job allocated. But who manages everything? The principal or the dean. Similarly, the CPU, RAM, storage, keyboard, mouse all have different kind of jobs. The operating system makes sure they all work together smoothly. So OS controls your hardware. It enables your applications to efficiently run. Also, it manages your memory very efficiently. It talks to you via interface. But wait, if the operating system controls everything, can your computer even start without it? We will answer that in just a moment. Till then, let's move forward. Now, let's imagine what happens when you open Chrome. Let's say you click on Google Chrome. Okay. Does Chrome directly talk to the CPU? No. So at first, the operating system receives your request. Then it tells the CPU to open Chrome. The CPU starts processing. The operating system asks RAM for space. It loads Chrome from the SSD and within a second, Chrome appears on your screen. Without the operating systems, none of this coordination would happen. Think about this. Every app you open, that may be your Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, and VS Code, whatever it may be, every single one goes through the operating system first. Alright, so let's imagine you are in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter takes your order to the chef, and the chef prepares the food. The waiter brings it back to you, and now imagine there is no waiter. Everyone starts shouting directly at the chef. Total chaos. In a computer, you are the customer. The hardware is the chef, and the operating system is the waiter who manages everything. So, here is something amazing. While you are watching this video, your operating system is quietly managing hundreds of tasks in the background, and you don't even notice that thing. So let's see what are the popular operating systems. So you have probably used these operating systems every day without realizing it. So Windows powers most laptops and desktops nowadays. macOS runs Apple Macs. Linux powers servers and many developers' computers. Android runs millions of smartphones and iOS powers iPhones. So there are different names, different designs, but all of them do the same basic job to control your hardware or your device. So here is today's challenge. Ask someone at home, What's the operating system on your phone? Let's see how many people actually know the correct answer. So today we learned that the operating system is the manager of your computer. Alright, so without an operating system, your hardware can't work together in a useful way. But now, here is something even more fascinating. When you press just one key on your keyboard, how does the computer know it's the letter A only and not B or Z or anything other? That's exactly what we will uncover in the next video, in which what happens when you type a letter. And trust me, after watching that video, you will never look at a keyboard the same way again. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to CodePath, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you, all of you.